How to add birthday to Monopoly Go? Want to earn free dice rolls for your birthday in Monopoly Go? Here's how to set or update your birthday info and claim your birthday gift to Monopoly Go. First, launch Monopoly Go app. Now on the top right corner, tap on this icon and here tap on settings. Now ensure your game is connected to Facebook. Tap on manage account. Now you can change your birthday on Facebook, then relink or refresh the Monopoly Go. Now once you update your Facebook birthday, the same is for the Monopoly Go, so you can go back and tap on this customer service right here. Now here scroll down and tap on chat with us. Now just type in birthday gift right here and tap on send. If eligible, it will award you up to 500 free dice rolls. As you can see, you will be getting gifts on one request per birthday, like you will be getting gifts only on 1 year. So make sure you enter your correct birthday month in the Facebook account and just send it the message from here. And that's it. That's how you set your birthday in Monopoly Go and unlock those sweet free dice. If this helped, tap like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching.